Have you ever scrolled through Instagram or YouTube and seen someone living the dream? Waking up when they want, sipping coffee on a balcony overlooking the ocean, running a business from their laptop while the rest of the world is stuck in traffic? I used to think they must be lucky. Rich parents, special connections, something I don't have. But then I discovered something that changed everything. Those people? They weren't born into it. They built it. With strategy, with systems, and with a burning desire to create freedom. And today I want to show you how you can do it too, step by step. This isn't just another tutorial. This is the beginning of your freedom story. Step 1. Find a profitable niche, your goldmine. Let me tell you about Ananya, a full-time office worker who hated Mondays and felt stuck. She had no business background, but she did have a passion for skincare. She realized that many people with sensitive skin were overwhelmed by the thousands of products out there. So she asked herself, what's a problem I can help solve? What do people desperately need? And what do I love talking about? She found her niche, natural skincare for sensitive skin. A small niche, but a deep one, with real demand. That's where your journey begins too. Find a space where your passion meets people's pain. And that's your goldmine. Step 2. Build a high-value product and create transformation. Now that Ananya had her niche, she didn't just slap together a product. She created a step-by-step guide to natural skincare routines, backed by real science and easy-to-follow practices. It wasn't just informative, it was transformational. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve so well that people thank me for taking their money? Your product could be a course, an ebook, a physical product, a coaching offer, even a membership site. But it must be something that makes people say, where was this all my life? Step 3. Set up a magnetic sales funnel. Build trust on autopilot. At first, Ananya struggled to get people to notice her product, until she discovered sales funnels, a system to gently guide strangers into customers. She gave away a free skin assessment quiz in exchange for email addresses. Then, through a simple series of emails, she shared tips, stories, before-after photos, and finally her product. She wasn't pushing, she was helping. And the sales started rolling in, and even while she slept. That's the power of a funnel. It builds trust, delivers value, and sells without being salesy. Step 4. Automate like a boss. So you can live life. Automation changed Ananya's life. She set up automated emails through ConvertKit, scheduled posts using Buffer, payment systems through Stripe and Razorpay. No more chasing clients or manually sending files. She finally had time to breathe, to think, to create, and even to travel. The business ran while she rested. That's not a dream, that's a system. Step 5. Scale with paid ads and affiliates. Multiply your impact. When the system started working, Ananya took a leap. She invested $100 in Facebook ads. Her funnel was ready. And guess what? She made $370 from that first campaign. She was shocked, excited, addicted. Soon, influencers in her niche started reaching out, asking to promote her guide. She offered them a generous commission, and together they grew her brand like wildfire. That's scaling, where you no longer work harder, you work smarter. Step 6. Turn customers into raving fans. Loyalty pays. Most people stop after the sale. Not Ananya. She emailed her customers regularly with skincare tips, invited them to private webinars, gave surprise bonuses. She made them feel seen, valued, and heard. The result? Her repeat customer rate skyrocketed. Her customers became her marketers, sharing her products with friends and family. That's the secret. Take care of your people and they'll take care of your business. Step 7. Diversify. Build a business that can't be shaken. Ananya didn't stop at one product. She launched a YouTube channel with skincare tutorials, a digital planner for skincare routines, one-on-one virtual consultations, a community membership. Now she had multiple income streams, and if one slowed down, the others kept flowing. Bonus, keep learning, always evolving. Here's the part no one tells you. Online business isn't a one-time setup, it's a journey. Ananya didn't know everything on day one, but she kept learning. From books, podcasts, mentors, and online courses. She stayed curious, flexible, hungry, and that's why she succeeded. You can too. Final words. This isn't just about money. It's about life. If you've listened this far, you're not here for quick cash. You're here because you know you're capable of more. You crave freedom, you want control, you want your life back. Building an online business is your path there. So here's your roadmap. Find your niche, create real value, automate and scale, serve your customers deeply, diversify, keep evolving. And one day you'll look back at this moment, this video, and realize that's where your freedom story began. So tell me in the comments, I'm building my freedom business. Let the world know your story deserves to be told. And if you found this inspiring, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, because I'm here to walk this journey with you, every step of the way. Your future is calling. Now go answer it.